Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Saturday. Well, as you can see, we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is inside this bag. And it didn't come in a padded bag this time, but that's okay. I think everything's fine because this is a box, and as you can see, it is a spring kit. This box comes from NewCraftDay, and if they have any specials or any discount codes, especially with Black Friday coming up, and they'll be like active now until through Black Friday, maybe even the first week of December. So do check them out, and if I have any discount codes myself, it'll all be right in here. So let's flip this over and see what we have. Is that not stunning? It is 14 count. It is 61 by 97, and it has a lot of colors. And I'll tell you that here in a minute. It was $42.67. So I don't know if they're on sale now or anything like that. So if you're interested, you will have to check that out. There's a sticky part right there. I'm just going to get rid of that sticker. So it comes in the lovely spring box. And let's get everything out of here and go from there. And we'll just get rid of the box for 5 minutes. All right. Let's see if we have another picture in here. Oh, it does have a staple. Let me get rid of that. Holy cow. Yeah, those staples, they're just don't work for me. Why can't they just leave that off? Let me see if I can get it out of there. Hold, please. There'll be a hot moment. There we go. All right. It does come with instructions on how to start and how to finish. Let me see what we got going in here. Okay. I guess, well, let's see. Nope. So, it has an instruction booklet. This has 84 full stitch colors, and there is one full stitch mixed. So that's not too bad. So they're all on this page and running through on this page. So all you have to do is full cross stitch on this. You can add whatever you want to it. Look at those feathers. Oh my goodness. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 different pages. But very well printed, very easy to see all the symbols. Now, I don't believe that the paper pattern matches the canvas. It usually doesn't. It is 284 stitches wide by 78 stitches high. And this is Egyptian cotton. So let's take a look. Let me put this all together. I guess I could tell you what colors we had, if I can see them. Let's see, we have 310 black, 321, which is my Christmas red, no, 550 purple. We have 823, which is a dark brick, no, a dark blue. No, 939. Lots of reds and magentas in this. I believe, maybe, no. Yes, we have the 996, which is that beautiful turquoise that I love, and 995. I can see them from here. They are this one, and this one that's trying to hide right there. And let's see, what are they using for white, if anything? Not seeing any white. So we'll just have to go along, and I don't see any other colors that I know. We have 3371, which is the dark brown as well. So maybe we're gonna hold this paper right here, and once we get to the canvas, you know, oops, oh, that's in the thing. Once we get onto the canvas, I'll compare. Now, they do come on thread cards. We have a total of 4 needles. So, and these are Egyptian cotton. I can tell by the way they feel. They don't have that sheen of DMC cotton threads, but very beautiful colors. Just absolutely stunning. Yellows, browns, magentas, brick reds, Christmas red, 310. So, just beautiful, beautiful colors. We have 3 total thread cards. Look at that. I call that peacock blue. Isn't that gorgeous? Just gorgeous. Fits the picture. We have 3 shades of gold. We have some coral. And then over here, we have all the turquoises. Kind of an olive green this time. And some more dark browns. Kind of a medium pink. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. More colors for the peacocks. Feathers. If I could just talk. We even have some teal, and I would call that I don't know, it's a cross between a teal and a turquoise, if you will. There's your 33, maybe this one's 3371. It's either one of these. But I'm not seeing a bright, vivid white, so you have that cream color there. I didn't see any other whites. So yeah, mostly yellows, and just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous threads. Turn it this way. But yeah, just a wide array of bright, vivid colors. Look at that orange. Oh my goodness. Look how bright that is. Gorgeous. And I wanted another 14 count in the Egyptian cotton to kind of, they're not going to go together on the wall totally, but just because I like the way that the colorful town was showing up. Just absolutely stunning colors. Just absolutely gorgeous. 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 Yum. I know. I'm drooling. I'm drooling. I'm drooling. Oh, and we have 2 Hanks. I don't know what this is. Maybe 823, and this is 310 black. So we're just going to lay them right on top, because probably need those. Get this out of here. Let me get hold of this. I'm going to put it in the trash and get rid of that bag. Let's take a look at the beautiful, beautiful canvas. I had to make sure I was doing it right side up. We'll start at the top here. Whoa. Let me get rid of the scissors before they fall on my foot. Very nicely printed from what I'm seeing. It is serged all the way around. Very nice big key. Now, hold that thought. Let me get this just a second. So, yes, the inside number here is for the paper pattern. The outside symbol, if you will, is for the canvas. So it's all printed on one paper. So that's a good thing. Beautiful, thin, easy to crunch up. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Beautiful. Very well printed for a 14 count. Sometimes it's like, what the heck is that? Yeah, not with spring. They are just phenomenal. I love their kits. And this, I just fell in love with all these colors. Yeah, just gorgeous. So there's his head. We have flowers over there. Hang on. Let me get the bells out of the way. Just one moment, please. And we're going to solve that ringing problem, because I know it's kind of annoying. But very well done. You can see everything in it. I'm going to lift my light up. Beautiful peacock. That looks a little confettied right through there, but once you get to the individual eyes of the peacock feather, if you will, you know, it all becomes symmetrical, if you will. I don't know that that's the right word, but very, very well done. I think this peacock I love more than any that I've ever gotten. This is just gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. I'm trying to fold it. It won't fold. And I probably won't be able to measure this at all. But just absolutely beautiful. And everything looks like it's on point. Just gorgeous. Because see how they start running in rivers and everything has the same color in it? You know, each one of those should be a breeze, you know, just stitch around, you know. Kind of repetitive, but it's fine. And there are bigger areas, so, you know, to stitch. But a lot of detail went into that peacock. It's just gorgeous. Sorry, I'm trying to adjust here. Just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We will be starting this as part 2 of my review for NewCraftDay. Sorry, we're losing that thing again. You'd think I'd been to the dollar store enough I could get a new thing to lay on this. Either that or double-faced tape to hold it in place. Yeah. Moving on. But just absolutely gorgeous. I'm just drooling. Just drooling. Thank you, NewCraftDay, for this beautiful, awesome, gorgeous kit and all these stunning colors. Thank you so much. Now, NewCraftDay has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by numbers. They have tools and crafts for all of that. They always have great prices and great sales, so do check them out. All the coupons or specials that they're running will be at the beginning of the video and in the description box below, so do check them out. Thank you everyone for joining me today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.